This is another Legend of Spongebob Squarepants kiddie rides. Let's go. I want to get the announcements first. As always. Say what did the chase.
Go on, have a go. Children using this ride
And then I've
should be
start.
supervised by a parent or guardian.
I might just get on the ride because I think there's a few
Would
kids.
you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
So I'd do that if I was you.
10p, 20p.
No, but actually, you don't take coins. What do you expect?
£1 and £2 coins.
Before you ask.
Any order. Change is not given.
Yeah, before anyone actually asks us, these £2 don't work still. You noticed.
Go on, have a go. Children using this ride should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
Yes, please.
Please connect your operator.
Thank you very much.
This ride will accept 10p. Thank you.
Operating.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll put the camera down over here.
Press the start button to start the ride. Press the start button to start the ride.
It's just a bit where I might have to get on there because I think all there's a few kids here
Press the start button
for some reason.
to start the ride. Press the start button to start the ride.
You'll get on the ride.
5,
There we go.
4, 3,
It's your screen.
2, 1. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Oh, it doesn't move. Come on. There we go. That was me getting on it. I don't know why. So yeah. To the screen. That was me getting on it. I felt so bad for myself. I feel absolutely ashamed. God, Susie doesn't like me, does it? How dare you, Spongebob? Honestly. Remember Norlisha? It's 2015 or 2016. I lost to Nickelodeon. He didn't like me at the start for some reason. Thank God it's moving. Maybe that was me getting on it, actually. It still was a little bit stuck stiff, I believe. A little bit. These two buttons don't work still. Yeah, I'm gonna film this on my camcorder because it's contactless. To be honest. It almost makes a little bit funny noises when they go on the rides.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
So there's some more rides left.
Press the start button
Oh,
to start
right.
the ride.
Yeah, I'm going to show you the normal codes over here. ADUPS and right there, Matana code there.
Start button
See?
to start the ride.
I think the speaker's over here, I believe.
Press the start button to start the ride.
Oh, what speaker is, sorry.
Press the start button to start the ride. The ride is about.
And this is the only one that like last year it didn't have contactless
Are you
for
ready?
some reason.
Hold tight. Here we go.
There's Hank there. Not sure I might film that. I might not do, to be honest. I'm not gonna try that, to be honest. Because a few kids always get on that, to be honest. Well, I'm not 100% sure. Get this SpongeBob next to me, if you can see. He's got his nose, so it's good. I might not turn it because I'm like, I don't know. Might break it. Not sure. The screen's very impressive though, which I'm very glad to see, actually. I think the karaoke version from SpongeBob is quite catchy. Then the words, there's the voice who sung it by the pirate from SpongeBob, or whoever I believe in. Well, that's just my opinion, I believe. Yeah, this one doesn't really turn out good for some reason. Yeah, basically, I would get off to film it. I don't want any kids to get on it, actually. Just to be aware. But the lights do work still, which is good. I'll just get off it now, to be honest.
Don't forget, you have more rides.
See the lights there? The set go. I don't even know why is this set go for some reason. Yeah, you may know that this red thing is come off. Whatever it is, whatever that thing is, or something.
Press the start button to start.
It's a little bit dark here, apparently. I just thought that kid was going to get on it for 1 second. I have got my eyes peeled, just to let you know.
Press the start button to start.
Just, like I said, I don't want to. There's a few kids here, apparently.
Ride is about to begin. 5, 4, 3,
Just scream.
2, 1. Are you ready? Hold tight.
Yes, I am, thank you.
Here we go.
Just want to show the lyrics. Yeah. There is the emotion, by the way. It's a bit better, to be honest, if you ask me. I love this ride. I think this key ride brings me back memories. Yeah, I might try and hang, I'm not sure. Depends if many kids get on it or something. Yeah, this is the intermission version of SpongeBob. Yeah, this sounds really catchy, the intermission song from SpongeBob. Yeah, this Kiddie ride is kind of a little bit rare in my region, to be honest, because you don't normally see a lot of SpongeBob Kiddie rides. And yes, I think this one's missing, unfortunately. Yeah, there's Gary there, and there's SpongeBob himself. There's 2 speakers on this one.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Yeah, that was another SpongeBob Krabby Patsy Wagon Kiddie rides.